Hi, and welcome to Science by PK. This is a place for fun facts, cool science, and awesome space stories. If you love learning about planets, stars, and space mysteries, you're in the right place. And don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and stick around for more amazing videos. Today, we're talking about the planet Neptune, the blue planet at the edge of our solar system. It's far away, super cold, and full of surprises. Let's dive in. What is Neptune? Neptune is the 8th planet from the Sun. It's the farthest planet in our solar system and is known for its deep blue color. It's a gas giant just like Jupiter and Saturn, but it's called an ice giant because it has frozen gases like water, methane, and ammonia. But how big is Neptune? Neptune is really big. About 58 Earths could fit inside it. But even though it's huge, you can't stand on it because it doesn't have a solid surface. It's mostly just gas and ice. But why is Neptune blue? The blue color comes from the methane gas in its atmosphere. Methane absorbs red light and reflected blue, which makes Neptune look so bright and beautiful. But how far is really Neptune? Neptune is really far away, about 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun. It's so far that light takes about 4 hours to reach it. For comparison, light only takes 8 minutes to reach Earth. How long is a year on Neptune? Because Neptune is so far away from the Sun, it takes 165 Earth years to go around it once. That's one Neptune year. Imagine having a birthday every 165 years. But a day on Neptune is shorter than hours. It spins really fast, so one day is just 16 hours long. But what's the weather like on Neptune? Neptune has wild weather. It's the windiest planet in our solar system, with winds blowing at over 2,000 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a jet plane. It also has huge storms. One of the biggest storms ever seen on Neptune was called the Great Dark Spot. It was the size of Earth and it looked like a giant hurricane. Does Neptune have rings? Yes, but they're faint and hard to see. Neptune has 5 rings made of dust and ice. They're not as bright as Saturn's rings, but they're still amazing to look at. What about Neptune's moons? Neptune has 14 moons. The biggest moon is Triton. Triton is really special because it orbits backwards, the opposite direction of Neptune spins. Scientists think it was captured from the Kuiper Belt, a region full of icy objects. Triton also has volcanoes, but instead of lavas, they shoot ice. Can we visit Neptune? Neptune is too far for us humans to visit right now. The only spacecraft that is flown by Neptune is Voyager 2, which sent pictures and data back in 1989. Scientists are still studying Neptune and hoping to send more missions in there in the future. Why does Neptune matter? Studying Neptune helps us learn more about how planets form, how atmospheres work, and even what other planets in our solar system might be like. It's also a reminder that we still don't know much about space. Our final thoughts are Neptune is a giant, blue, and a windy planet at the edge of our solar system. It has wild weather, cool moons, and mysterious rings. It's far, cold, and beautiful, and it reminds us how big and amazing the universe really is. Well, that's all we have for today. We'll see you in the next one.